channel. Today we are going to study multiplying a vector by a scalar. Means that here at the end of this lesson, every learners will be able to multiply a vector by a scalar. Means that the multiplication of a vector by a scalar always it produces vector. So now let us start our lesson. Multiplying a vector by a scalar. So in generally, when a vector A means that it has x and y is multiplied by a scalar k, yes, and now we get k multiply vector A is equal to k times x y, which is equal to k times x. Means that you multiply scalar for each component of vector, yes. K times x we get kx, and k times y we get ky. So now when a scalar is positive or negative number, yes, and now each component of vector is multiplied by a scalar k. So now here we have an example. Given that vector A, it has the coordinate of 2 and 3, and vector B, it has the coordinate of -4 and 10. So now for A, find for A means that 4 is a scalar, yes, while A is a vector. Means that 4 it replaces the values of k, yes, while A is a vector. Means that we take 4 multiply the values of vector A is 2 and 4. Means that multiply each component, yes, each component of vector by a scalar, yes, by 4. Means that we get 4 times 2 and 4 times 4. So, and now here we get 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Means that if a vector multiplied by 4 a scalar 4, means that the vector or the length or the size of vector it increased by 4. Yes, it is increased by 4. Means that where we take the horizontal displacement, the length of horizontal displacement, and now multiplied by 4. Yes, and now where the horizontal displacement, the vertical displacement is equal to 4, and now we multiply by 4, means that we get 16. Means that here we get 80 on the horizontal displacement, where we get 16 unity on the vertical displacement. So now another example, you can ask to find B. 3a plus 2b, yes, 3a plus 2b. Means that here we have 3 times 3 is a scalar times the vector A plus 2 times b, yes, as vector. Means that you have 3 times vector A is equal to 2 and 3 plus 2 times the vector B is equal to -4 and 10. So, and now which is equal to 3. Remember that a vector, the multiplication of vector and the scalar always multiply a vector, each component of vector by a scalar. We get 3 times 2, 3 times 3 plus, so 2 times we get 2 times -4, and now 2 times 10. So now we get 3 times 2 we get 6. While 3 times 3 we get 9 plus 2 times negative 4 we get negative 9, 8 I mean. 2 times 10 we get 20. Yes. And now make the addition. 6, 9. This is addition of two vectors. Plus times negative 8 we get negative 8. Plus times 20 we get plus 20. And now we get 6 minus 8 we get minus 2. And the 9 plus 20 we get 29. Yes. This is how to find the multiplication of vector by a scalar. So now, note that. Yes, when a vector is multiplied by a positive scalar, means that its direction does not change. However, when a vector is multiplied by a negative scalar, immediately its direction is reversed. So now, here I have an example. Let us take an example. Given that here I have vector A, it has the coordinate of 2 and 3. So I now find for A, vector 2A, where B, question B, you have to find negative 2A. Yes? Means that this 2 is a scalar. Yes, is a scalar, while A is a vector. Means that you get 2A is equal to 2 times 2, 3, which is equal to 2 times 2, we get 2 times 2, we get 2 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 2, we get 4, 2 times 3, we get 6. Yes? Okay, so now you can represent a vector A on a Cartesian plane. Let us show you how to present this vector on a Cartesian plane. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So now, vector A, it has the coordinate 2 and D. Here you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have a 6. Yes? Means that here you have a 1, 2, 3. So now vector A is 2, 3. Means that 2 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. Yes? Means that this is A. Yes? Means that the vector A, it is starting from the origin. This one. It is starting from the origin. Yes? This is a vector A. Yes? This is a vector A. So now you can draw a scalar. Yes? After, you can draw 2 times A. Yes? 2 times A. Let us show you by using this one. So and now get here. Let us draw. So now we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a 6. This is y-axis. Here we have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, 5, and 6. This is x-axis. Let us start from this point A, vector A. So now we get 3 here. And now here we have point A. This is vector A from the origin. This is vector A. So now let us draw a vector, the result of 2 times A. So now we get 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 4 on x-axis. Yes. And Here we have a vector from the origin. Yeah? Means that this one from here up to here is 2 vector A. Means that you see here, if the multiplication of vector, where if a scalar is positive, means that always a vector does not change direction. Means that it means that it does not change direction. So now let us take the second, where we have a minus 2a. Means that minus 2a means that is equal to negative 2 times 2 and 3. Means that here the scalar is negative, and now we get negative 2 times 2, negative 2 times 3. So and now we get negative 2 times negative 2, times 2 we get negative 4, negative 2 times 3 we get negative 6. Means that you can present these vectors on Cartesian plane. So and now here we get negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 6. Here we have a negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Yes? So now these points, this vector is equal to negative 4 and negative 6. Negative 4 on x-axis, yes, and negative 4 on y-axis. Here we get vector, means that this one, from the origin, yes. Here we get this vectors is a vector of negative 2a. Means that you see here, because the scalar it is negative immediately the direction of vectors it is reversed. It means that it is changed. Where here you have the vectors of 2a. This one, this is a vector 2a. Yes, means that if the vector 2a multiplied by this is negative 2, immediately the direction of vector 2a it is reversed. It means that the direction, this one is the vector a, is the vector a, means that immediately if you multiply vector a by negative 2, where negative 2 is a scalar, immediately the direction of vector it is reversed. Means that here we have to know that and when a vector is multiplied by a scalar, means that the direction does not change. While if a vector it is multiplied by a negative scalar, means that immediately the direction of vectors it is reversed. This is the end of my lesson of today. Thank you for watching this video. See, if you like it, don't forget to click in subscribe, like, share, and comments. Bye bye.